Hey, good morning. This is Mayor Valensky with Driving Markets. Let's do a quick recap of what happened yesterday in the markets. The US came off, that means went down, simply because the Jackson Hole Symposium started and the initial speeches made by the economists and the Fed was that there is a possibility or a tendency to raise interest rates, and it's effectively the inflation level could be over 2.5% by 2022, and that's sent the sentiment within the markets downwards because an increase in inflation with obviously being an increase in interest rates, which means less money flowing into the economy. Furthermore, you've got the terrorist attack and the Taliban taking over in Afghanistan. That's also set a negative tone and concern, considering there were more than 40 people killed, of which I believe there were 12 American soldiers killed. As regards general mood, then you're probably expecting the market to trend lower over the next day or two. You have a bank holiday in the UK on Monday, just to be aware of that. Regarding a couple of technical points, what I'd like to mention today is two technical terms that are used when trading. One is called long and one is called short. When you buy an asset, or when you buy an investment, or when you buy a share, and you're buying it, it's called going long. So say, for example, you buy 100 British Petroleum shares, BP shares. So on your trading account, you'll see a plus sign 100 because you are long of 100. That means you want the share to go up. If you do the opposite, which is you sell 100 BP shares, then you'll have a minus on your account, so it'll be short. Short means you're minus, you want the market to go down. When using terminology, you have to be very, very careful when trading and giving an order, especially if you're speaking on the phone. For example, when you say you want to buy shares or buy the index or buy forex or buy commodities, you want to be absolutely clear. Is it an opening trade? Are you opening a trade that you want to go long? Or are you buying something to close a short trade? For example, let's say you are 100 shares short of British Petroleum and now you want to close the position. Most people say, I want to buy 100 shares to close the position. However, you should be saying, I want to close my position, or that is closing my short. Or when you buy something and you want to sell it, yes, I want to close my position. By using the word closing, you're being a lot more clearer to the dealer, and therefore he knows what he's doing. However, if you are short, for example, of BP shares 100, and you go to the dealer and say, I want to sell 100 shares, well, you've already sold 100, so he will sell another 100, which means you'll have 200 short. So you've got to be very clear when trading. Short means you want the market to go down. Long means that you have bought something to the market to go up. When you do a trade, you open a trade or you close a trade. Now, this is a little bit technical, so I might go over it again next week. However, if you have any questions, you can contact me on LinkedIn or WhatsApp me. But those are two major terminologies. As regards trading in the marketplace, remember, you must always use very small positions, use stop losses, use take profits, and hopefully you have a successful day. This is Mayor Valensky with Driving Markets. All the best.